In this cinematic masterpiece, a sleek, futuristic car gracefully navigates through an urban landscape, captivating viewers with its swift and elegant movements. Recognized as the epitome of automotive excellence, this cutting-edge vehicle features a mesmerizing blend of silver and black, accentuated by vibrant neon highlights. As it glides along the winding roads, the car leaves behind a luminous trail of sparks, symbolizing its unparalleled speed and performance. The backdrop of the video frames a lively city skyline, illuminated by neon lights that dance on the rain-soaked streets. This dynamic setting enhances the overall atmosphere, creating a vivid and immersive experience for the audience. The carefully crafted scenes convey a palpable sense of speed and excitement, drawing viewers into the heart of the action. To further enhance the narrative, each video snippet is meticulously curated to last for precisely 6 seconds, ensuring a quick yet impactful glimpse into the world of this extraordinary vehicle. The seamless fusion of cutting-edge visuals and captivating audio elements transforms the mere act of watching into a multisensory adventure, leaving an indelible impression on all who witness this technological marvel in motion.